Now, isn't it the best time to hunt for shadow demons while it's flooding? I think so too. And this is where I usually cross to the other side. I don't think I'm getting there anytime soon. I think I might need a boat. Oh well. Let's see if I can spot anything out in the rain. Also, you may have heard a weird audio clunk in the last episode. That should be fixed now. Sorry about that. Just gotta get across. Gonna try going through here. Whoa. It's all flooded in there. But I can cross here. Trying to not get too wet. These are my last pair of long pants. It's a bit cold out. We're here. Yeah, I don't think I'm crossing because I usually go right down there. Cross over there. And then over to there. But it's a bit flooded. So I don't think I'm doing that. Not without some sort of boat. So I'm stuck on this side of the fence for today. And well, you can see the water here. And who knows how much higher it's going to get, so who knows when I'm able to get back across to actually film what I wanted to film for this episode. Got a nice little trick up my sleeve. I'm gonna just kind of look across from the water, see if there's anything interesting that could be spotted. I don't see anything. I'm gonna go over the fence. Whatever this is. Yep, stable enough. Ooh, practically surfing on this thing. Yeah, I don't see no way across. So we're definitely not getting over there. This thing's wobbly. Ooh. Gonna go back over. Just slipped. Very slippery out here. I don't hear anything that could be considered suspicious or see anything. Looks like the only thing I'm finding out here today is rain, but as usual, if you think you've seen anything that looks suspicious in the distance, do timestamp it in the comments below. Well, I think that's it for this one. No idea when the next episode will be, but this is the state of things right now, so see you guys in the next one. Bush Life out.